everybody, welcome. It's Scarlet Pete's Self-Sufficiency Machine Knitting. Knitmaster M-Pisel Model 700. I'll be doing a series of videos today for you. As you can see, there's going to be something about sponge bars. There's also something about running a test on the machine and what this machine does. But I thought there's two more videos I need to shoot. One, how to put the items back in the lid. That's always sometimes quite difficult for people. And two, how to thread up the tension masts. So this one is going to be all about how to thread up the tension mast. So first of all, you need to make sure you've got your yarn running freely. It cannot fall over. If you watched the video earlier I did on the full test and workings of the 700, you will see at one point that I didn't edit out, where I dropped the yarn over onto its side and it caused major problems. So the yarn has to be free flowing. The center point of the cone needs to be the center point of the first feed loop, basically. So when it pulls, it freely moves up like that. Then here we have a tension dial. This is what holds the yarn and helps create a resistance on the spring. If the yarn is not behind and clamped in this system, the spring will not work. Let me just show you what happens to the spring if it's not in it. Ready? We have one useless spring. Next, the yarn goes through this eye up to the eyelet here, then back down through this hole, and then it is secured tightly on the mast here. Let's put this behind the tension rings. Now we've got the tension working again because it's clamped there. Can you see how the tension works? We have a dial here, 7 to 1, 7 being tight, 1 being loose, and depending on the yarn thickness you're using and how it affects your edge needles, this will need changing so that the yarn is at a tighter or looser spring, and the end needle then, meaning the end needles here, if you're knitting, they should stay in line like a line of soldiers. But if they start to pull out like this in a staggered form, then your tension is too tight. If you get loops at the edge of your work here, bless you, Lily. Thank you. If you get loops at the edge of your work here, then your tension is too loose and you need to tighten it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, give me a comment so I know you're there. And as I said, watch my channel. I'm hoping it'll be helpful. Lots of love. Bye-bye.